What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another not very good side-by-side video. It is New Year's Eve right now. I'm hoping you guys had a great New Year's Eve. Hopefully you're safe, you had a bunch of fun, and you stayed out of trouble. Anyhow, it's New Year's Eve for me right now, so the game plan is to head up to St. Helen and go up to the Sand Bowl. They usually have bonfire and stuff up there. There's a bunch of machines, so we're gonna go check it out. And as you see, I still got the X3 tucked in the back. We are not taking that. I'm gonna go pick up a couple friends, and we're all gonna ride up together in something a little bit warmer, something with a little bit of heat. And the machine we're gonna take up there is this. The 2025 Ranger Northstar. This is the 4-door. This is my dad's machine. It's completely stock besides a Gilman Innovations tune and clutch kit. If you guys want to watch that video, I'll post a link up in the corner. If you guys want to check that out when we installed that stuff. And topped her out to see how fast it go with a little bit of upgrade on her. But yeah, this thing's got heat. He was nice enough to let me use this. We're just gonna pile in this, cruise up there. In the X3, I can make it there in less than an hour. Obviously, I'm gonna go a little bit slower in this. It's pretty snowy out. But yeah, plan is go pick them guys up, motor up to St. Helen, see who's all up there, and see what kind of fun they're having. Alright, we just got up to the Sand Bowl. It is pretty cold out here. We got a couple fires going, one over there, one here. There's one on the other side. There's one up on top of the hill. I currently have a glove on, so I can't zoom the camera in. But yeah, there's a pile of people here. They had a tent here with a couple heaters in it. They just took that down because I think people are starting to leave. 26 over here. They don't really do a ball drop thing, but yeah, there's 26, which is kind of cool. But yeah, we made it up here. It's nice having heat and like power windows and actually sealed doors and stuff. It's kind of legit. How's the X3 with the upper doors on it now?
It was nice. There's still a lot of wind in my face, but it was alright.
Better than it was?
Way better.
What are your thoughts on the upper doors?
It cuts down on the wind a lot, but we gotta do some modifications on the freaking doors because all the weather stripping's missing from the cheap Kemimotos. So I ordered them pre-Black Friday. It took over a month to get them.
Nice.
So just put them on over Christmas, and first ride out with them, I think they're worth it. Yeah. So only 140 bucks for them. So
which is a lot better than like the $900 that the Can-Am ones cost. Well, you got a 4-seater, so yeah, you're more than that.
Like, it's almost $1,800 for the upper doors for the Can-Ams.
Yeah,
it's ridiculous.
They don't give them away. Yeah, there's a pile of people up here. It's pretty cool. If you guys have never came up here for any of the holidays, usually in the summer it's pretty much packed. I mean, there's a lot more people here than I thought there'd be, just with how cold it is. But yeah, it's always a good time at the old Sand Bowl. I think we're getting ready to take off. There's a lot of people that already left already. She's just like too cold out. I think it's like 7 degrees out here, but there was a pile of machines. There's still some people out here ripping around, putting in some hot laps. But we got the X3 that drove up, and then I got the Polaris Ranger warming up so we can make our trek back. We'll probably grab some footage on the way back. Alright dude, so we're in the old Ranger Northstar. Big plus is having heat. Like honestly, it's kind of huge. suspension though, I feel like the ones like, because I know you can long travel these and do different springs and stuff, I feel like that would definitely help a lot. Right now we are currently on a groomed snowmobile trail, which is shared trail, so all the snowmobilers don't get all mad. But yeah, I mean, it's cool, it's a vibe. The only thing I don't like about this thing though, really, is the seats are terribly uncomfortable. I feel like I'm like leaning forwards, like I gotta like keep cracking my back. But as you can see, it's like cold AF outside and it's like snowing, and we're chilling in here with heat, so that's definitely a bonus. But yeah, that's my first impressions on the Ranger Northstar. All right, so it is the next day. I just went and gassed this unit up and completely realized that I never did an outro for the video last night when we got back. It was after 2 o'clock in the morning. I think it's closer to 3. I ended up just pulling in the pole barn and went inside and got ready for bed. But I figured I'd go over a couple things that I did notice with the Ranger Northstar while I had it. This thing, I mean, the heat kind of worked as to be expected. Windshield never got so bad where I had to get out and actually scrape it off. The heat worked great. It was nice being warm. Having the maps and the radio with the ride command, that was also a bonus. We got to listen to tunes the whole time. Granted, this suspension on this thing isn't the best for the trails, but I think what I'm going to do in the future is a kind of a first impressions, honest, not like a full in-depth review, but an honest kind of first impressions of what I noticed when I had this thing last night. And then there are some things I don't like about it that I think I might have mentioned in the video, but I'm going to go over a couple things going over what I don't love about it. So if you guys want to watch that video, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We're also doing a merch giveaway at 30,000 subscribers. So if you don't want to miss out on some free stuff, make sure you subscribe. Yeah, St. Helen Sand Bowl New Year's Eve is fun. They had fireworks. There's a pile of people up there. Honestly, more people than what I thought would be there, which was kind of cool. Wasn't a whole lot of people ripping around. I was hoping there'd be more content I can get of that, but it is what it is. It was like 7 degrees, so I can completely understand why they were sitting around fires. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Figure I'd just throw a little video together while we went up there. We're going riding anyhow. Figure I'd put it on YouTube, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But until next time, guys,